children, very good morning. Welcome to English class. How are you all? All of it are fine? Okay. So children, in the yesterday's class, what we read it and what we studied? We studied the E sound. Is it? Yes, the E sound words and letters we read it. So in the today's class children, we'll write the E sound. Okay. So everyone take out your Phonics Skillbook, take out your pencil and eraser, open page number 6. Okay. Yes. So everyone open. So this is your page number 6. The E sound. Write, trace and read, trace and write. So you have to read it and you have to trace it and you have to write it. Okay. So this is your classwork, writing and reading. Okay. Yes. So write here CW, classwork. So first children will read the words. Okay. BED, bed. BED, bed. FED, feed. FED, feed. LED, lead. So this is a ED sound. So which sound it is? ED. Okay. Yes. Bed, feed and lead. Next, HEN, hen. HEN, hen. PEN, pen. PEN, pen. TEN, ten. TEN, ten. So this is a EN. EN sound. Okay. Hen, pen, ten. Okay. So next, JET, jet. JET, jet. PET, pet. PET, pet. VET, wet. VET, wet. So this is a ET. ET sound words. Okay. Yes. So once again we'll read it. BED, bed. FED, feed. LED, lead. HEN, hen. PEN, pen. TEN, ten. JET, jet. PET, pet. VET, wet. Okay. So everyone has to spell the spelling and you have to read it. So I am spelling the spelling, no? Yes. So like this only you also have to spell the spelling and you have to read it and you have to write it. Okay. Yes. So now write. So here children see. Here the first they had given the dots line. Is it? You have to trace the dots and you have to read it spelling and you have to write it. Okay. Write B E D, bed. BED, bed. So here also down you have to write it. BED, bed. So you have to copy it. Okay, next F, trace the dots line. FED, feed. FED, feed. Okay, next write LED, lead. LED, lead. LED, lead. Okay. So next HEN, hen. HEN, E N hen. H E N hen. Next P E N pen. P E N pen. P E N pen. Okay, next T E N ten. T E N ten. T E N ten. T E N ten. Okay, next J E T jet. 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 Next P E T pet. 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 V E T vet. 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 Okay, so like this you have to trace the dots and read and write it. Okay, with the spelling you have to spell it and you have to write it. Okay, next is matching is there. Match the pictures with the words one has been done for you. For example, here. So, which picture it is? Net. So, net spelling N-E-T, net. So, here. So, like this you have to match it, okay. You have to see the picture and you have to see the spelling and you have to match it, okay. Yes. So, which picture it is? Bed. So, what is the bed spelling? B-E-D. B-E-D, bed. So, here is the spelling. B-E-D, bed. So, this dot to here you have to match it. B-E-D, bed. Okay, next is hand. So, which picture it is? Hand. So, what is the hand spelling? H-E-N, hen. H-E-N, hand. So, here you have to match it. H-E-N, hand. H-E-N, hand. Okay, next is, which picture it is? Leg. L-E-G, leg. L-E-G, leg. So, match it here. L-E-G, leg. L-E-G, leg. Okay, next is, which number it is? 10. 10 spelling? T-E-N. Here is T-E-N, 10. T-E-N, 10. So, match it here. T-E-N, 10. T-E-N, ten. Okay, next. So next picture is what? Pen. So what is the pen spelling? P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. So match it here. P-E-N, pen. Okay? Yes. Nest, bed, hen, leg, ten, pen. Okay? So like this you have to spell the spelling and you have to match it. Okay? So we done in the class what this. Is it? Yes. So homework is children, you have to read it. Okay? This page number 6 and 7. So words you have to read it with the spelling. Okay? So write R-E-A-D, read. 5 times T-I-M-E-S. H-W, homework, reading. So both the pages write. R-E-A-D, read. 5 times H-W. Understood? So only I had given the reading homework children. So classwork is the writing, homework is the reading. So everyone read it and with the spelling and be practice it. Okay? Thank you. Have a good day.